Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make the 10th Doctor from the waters of Mars at the Satan Pit. This was requested by Baggins Bricks on Instagram. His right leg comes from just some standard orange legs, but more importantly his left leg and his hips come from Emmett. The torso comes from an older Rebel pilot and has just been spun around with the arms facing the other way. I used the neck piece from the Tin Man, but this is optional and you don't have to use this if you don't want to. The head comes from the U-Wing pilot minifigure, but there are probably better ones out there. I just want to use this. Finally, the hair for this minifigure comes from the Lego Brick Suit CMF minifigure. The end product should look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for building your minifigure. Overall, I think this minifigure definitely turned out okay. Maybe when I get a proper suit in the future for my LEGO figures, I will redo the 10th Doctor, but better. If you have any minifigure ideas you would like to see in the future, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me over on my Instagram. If you would like to see some more Purist Custom LEGO minifigures, feel free to click on the playlist which should be on the end screen now. Also, if you're not subscribed, feel free to do so, as that means you'll be notified when my next video comes out. Thank you for watching today's video, I hope you enjoyed it.